Welcome back to the studio. I am Marie-Ève, the only classical painter and powerlifter on the internet. Today we are adding colors to our nose. The model is the beautiful Meditation 1901 from my man Bouguereau. On my palette I have from left to right titanium white, yellow ochre, cad orange, alizarin crimson, raw umber, and ivory black. For this video, I have posterized my picture model in GIMP. I will put both the posterized and normal picture on my Discord under Studio Process for you to download if you want to try and practice with me. Let's start the fun part of this painting, applying color. I have previously painted the eyes and the mouth for a better context. I am starting with my darkest dark and will work my way toward my lightest light. The picture on the left is the one posterized in GIMP. I have used this process to help me simplify my choice of color. Like I have said in a previous video, our eyes are much better at seeing colors than we can mix with paint. You will see a lot more color on a screen or on a live model. This will make you want to match all the scene colors and can confuse even the most seasoned painter. This is why it is recommended that you copy your favorite old master, because they have simplified for you what was in front of them. Guess who's my favorite old master? For my glaze, I am using a homemade glazing medium. The recipe is quite simple. You put 1 part of mineral spirit, you add 1 part of linseed oil, and 1 part of the marc varnish. The grisaille underneath my color layers is darker than what Bouguereau would have done. I am regretting my picture choice. The resolution was quite too low, and zooming a low resolution image darkens it. I, however, have to commit to this model because I do not want to restart the whole painting process. This is day 1 of the color layers. I will let this one dry and come back another time for a second layer. For the sake of being concise on YouTube, I am doing only 2 layers of colors for these demonstrations. However, you can do as many layers as you want. Just make sure to respect the rule fat over lean, to use the same glazing medium in each of your sessions. Also keep in mind that the more layers you use, the darker the painting will become. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to support my work and my channel, you can join me on Patreon. Patreon allows me to keep creating in-depth, slow and thoughtful painting content like this one. And for those of you who want more direct guidance, I also offer one private 1-hour Zoom consultation each month where we can look at your work together and talk about the challenges you are facing in your painting. You will find all the details on my Patreon page. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting the Lifting Painter Studio. Happy painting!